Welcome everybody, Thursday, June 18, 7:26 a.m. This is the video I usually do last night, Wednesday afternoon, post-close. So this is pre-market instead. So let's take a look at the usual Tesla, SpaceX, VIX, gold, silver, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the stock indices. So let's start with Tesla. Closed at 396.38, down $8.28. That's down 2%. Post-market or pre-market, we are up 0.32%. So we were into a bullish channel. We were going down. This is the bullish channel. Bullish channel. We were going down inside the bullish channel, and we rebounded on it. We have rebounded. Then we retouched the resistance, and we could have done something like this. This is what we were hoping for, and this is not what happened. We didn't take any position. That's fine. And boom, we just broke it. So this bullish channel is no longer relevant. We don't need to look at it anymore. It might still, we might still be bouncing on that support line. It was support line at some point. It's gonna become maybe resistance, so it might be used at some point. But right now, no, this is not useful to us. 394.83 right here. It is useful. It helped us with support within the bullish channel, and now we seem to be stopping to it. At least we are stopping to it with this candle right here, and we are opening at 397. So maybe we are bouncing on it, but we need to consider that we are into a downtrend still. So we can do this, and it's going to mean nothing. Just like it did this and it meant nothing, it did this and it meant nothing, and it did this and it meant nothing. So it needs to break this. If it does not break it, don't buy. That's it. Easy enough. If something does not go up, if something is not trending up, because this is going up, but it is trending down. This is going up, and yes, it is trending up. So we need to buy something that goes up when it's trending up, not when it's trending down. Even the dollar cost averaging is the same thing. You don't dollar cost average in something that goes down. You can do what you want. I don't mind, but this is not something I would do. So 394.83, and if we break that 394.83, then shorting may commence. And I cannot help but mention that those French words in the English language, commence means start in French. And anyway, so this is really a French word. So the short may begin. The short may begin if we break lower than 394.83. SpaceX, what about SpaceX? I tried to get in, but I got stopped out. SpaceX, we still don't have much candles yet. It's been 4 days since the IPO, so not many candles. So this is why we have to refer to a smaller time frame. So we have been dropping, this is the 5-minute chart. We have been dropping since Tuesday. This is the trend. Trending down. Then we broke outside of it. So yeah, okay, this is a positive sign. So when we break outside of a downward trend, this is good. It does not necessarily mean that it's going to go up, but it means that it's stopping going down. So stopping going down was done here. Stopping going down was done, but what can happen is that we can get stuck into a congestion zone. And look at the high that we had here. And if I do this, guess what? Let me make it red. Well, yeah, this is what happened. We were outside of this, but we got stuck into a congestion zone, which we never broke above, and we continued down. So yeah, you can still hold SpaceX long term because it's gonna go, I don't know, it's gonna be worth $500 in 2030. You can still hold it if you want, that's fine. But here we are, we are not buying holding when we are into a downtrend. So right now, on the 1 hour chart, it's hard to say what's happening right here. It's hard to say. This is a downtrend. This is a downtrend, but there's an uptrend at the same time. So the jury is still out. And there's not much candles to make a decision. So this is why I'm basing everything on the 5-minute chart for now. But I won't do that forever. As soon as we are going to get enough candles on the daily chart and the 1 hour chart, these are going to be the main charts. So yeah, right now we are still into this downtrend, and you see we have some support at 188.74. So if we break that, this is going to be on the 5-minute chart. This is going to be short-term territory. So you don't have to do it if you don't, but pattern wise, this is going to be short territory. So voila. So no stochastic on the 5-minute chart. On the 1 hour chart either. On the 1 hour chart, we don't have stochastic over 60. So this is, it might just be temporary lull, but it's a lull. Let's take a look at the stock indices. So Dow Jones still in an uptrend, so we are cooling down a bit. SPX still into this kind of congestion zone, cooling off. Everything's cooling. QQQ was cooling, maybe is going to rebound a little bit, but we are basically going sideways. So we are starting the sideways move. Oops, this is the sideways move. Sideways move, sideways move. Everything is moving sideways. Sideways move, sideways move. So don't expect much. It's going to go back up and down and up and down. This is just noise. Russell, the small caps. Small caps, this one is still into a bull trend. You see it? See it? Let me make it easier for you to see it. This is the trend here. Still trending up. It has moved down for the past couple of days, but now it's moving up. Gold, silver, Bitcoin, Ethereum, what's happening with those? Okay, gold still trending down. We had a little bit of a move up recently. This is another short territory right here. So feel free to short that thing. It tried to go up, went close to resistance, and now it's recaving in again. So if you want to do that. Silver, less clear. We are still above that support. Bitcoin, what about Bitcoin? Okay, so Bitcoin is having a hard time. We are not going lower than 60,240. And we tried to get above 64,820. We stayed there just 1, 2, 3 days. Now we are caving in again. So we see it want to go higher, but there's no good stochastic here. So this is not that believable. It's not very believable yet. It tried a bit yesterday. Maybe this is going to settle on 62,000. We have support at 62,000, so maybe this is going to stop there. There is a previous low here that we can track to, which is perfectly in line to where we are right now, 63,585. So maybe this is going to stop there. Who knows? But there is not much impulse up. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum, it looks a bit better. Bullish channel is still intact. So now we are coming to that support. Hopefully we are going to bounce. We don't have momentum yet, but we have not broken that yet either. So this is looking, so Ethereum is looking better than Bitcoin. And BMNR, oh boy, BMNR, 3% down. BMNR has a mind of its own. This one, look at this. Ethereum is down 0.28%. BMNR was down 3%. Today it's up 1.34. So about more volatility with BMNR. More volatility, but hopefully it's going to track what's happening with Ethereum. So let's take a look at this trading economics. So some economic data. Where is it? June 17th. So we should be getting some economic data. Maybe this is what is impacting what's happening. So June 25th, let's do this week. Okay. Yeah, interest rate decision, well, stayed the same. 375, 375. This is a good decision. Because inflation is kind of not in check yet, so at least it's not moving higher. So that's the good news. Retail sales increasing 0.9% instead of 0.6%. So this is increasing. This is doing better. So yeah, at least they have not increased the rates. If they had, then things would have, in my opinion, things would have taken a drop, a big drop. So yeah. So we have some base support, Tesla at 393, SpaceX, SpaceX, think about 188.74. If it bounces on that, then maybe it's going to do a second try to do this. But if we break this, then this is falling. And that's short territory. So there you have it, my people. So thank you for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. YouTube members, becoming a YouTube member is giving you lots of, more value. You can copy these lines. So these lines, if you become a member, you can get a copy of those lines. See, share layout, copy a link. So you can have all of these lines on many stocks. Like HIMS, you can see the lines and you can act on those lines. So there's a way for you to get access to these lines. So I'm going to wish you a great day. If you are a member, we are going to do a post-market video tonight. If not, I'm going to do another free video like this next week. So have a great day. So for some of us, we are going to talk tonight. I'm going to tell you, à la prochaine, si Dieu le veut.